Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will drive around in Kuta Bali area, around 30-minute driving, and I will make video without skip. So I will show you how like the condition at the moment in Kuta Bali. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. As I told you, today we will make video around 13 minutes without skip in Kuta Bali area. And now we are in Kartika Plaza Street. So this is the condition update in July 2021. You see, condition on the road still very quiet during the pandemic corona in Bali. Left side, right side, there is a lot of big hotel. And also the shop, but look very quiet. You see, on the sidewalk is very empty. It's no people. Kartika Plaza Hotel, left side, also look very quiet. And at the front, there is Discovery Mall, left side, also so quiet and still closed actually. Yeah, there is Discovery Mall. It's closed, isn't it? Right side, there is Ubud Bali, also very quiet. Very quiet, isn't it? Left side, there is Bali Garden Hotel, also very quiet. Babagam right side, also closed. And the sidewalk is also empty. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, on this video I will make video around 13-minute video without skip, because I just want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment in Kuta area. In this video it's gonna be a bit longer because I just want to show you all around Kuta area. The food restaurant left side, closed. Stadium right side, also closed. Okay, now we are in heart of Kuta. In this area, left side, there is art market in Kuta. And on this area, usually always busy people walk around to do some shopping because it's like central shopping in Kuta area. And also, at the front there is Matahari Square. It's very famous actually. Left side, all the shop is closed, isn't it? It's very sad. No business. Oh my god. Right side, there is Matahari department store, also closed. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video for information to the other people. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update some location in Bali during the pandemic corona. Okay, from shopping area we turn left, we will explore Rayakuta Street. In this area is very famous because easy to go to the art shop, to the market and go to the beach. And lots of people around here actually. But today it look very quiet. Hard Rock Cafe. Grand in a hotel left side, there is the car going in. Happy to see that. So at the front there's the gate to go to Kuta Beach. But Kuta Beach is closed because we are still in lockdown for Bali. Okay, we continue driving You see the right side, there is Hard Rock Cafe. And actually in Hard Rock Cafe, lots of people to make photo here. But today is very quiet. Left side, there is parking area, but empty. In left side, there is Kuta Beach. It's very quiet because in Bali is still locked down. Actually, emergency lockdown. You see the right side, there is a lot of shop and hotel right there. So today is the last day for emergency lockdown for Bali. Look very quiet, isn't it? This parking area left side, empty. Actually, this is motorbike parking. And in the right side, this area, lot of restaurant and cafe. And behind this restaurant, there is the hotel. And at the front, left side, there is usually full parking of motorbike. Because in this place, there is a big mall we call Beach Walk. The biggest shopping mall in Kuta. You see right side? There is Beach Walk. But they close and no people there. Okay, we continue driving in Rayakuta Street. So we will explore how like the condition at the moment in this area. Still look very quiet, isn't it? Just empty in parking area. It's very sad. Left side, still Kuta Beach. But looks so quiet. I mean, on the sidewalk, there's no people there. It means no people go to the beach in this time. And right side, there is a lot of big hotel. Also very quiet. Oh, there is some car parking left side. Also motorbike. That's good. I mean, it's some activity there. Right side is big hotel, but looks so quiet too. In this area is a lot of big hotel, like Stone Hotel, Pullman Hotel, Kuta Sea View. Yeah, but this is still very quiet. You see the right side, Pullman Hotel. But quiet. Okay, from Rayakuta Street we turn right, and now we are in Malaysia Street. And also before the pandemic corona, in this area always busy people walk around on the sidewalk. Because in this area there is a lot of hotel and easy access to go to the beach. Left side is big hotel. Right side, left side now is art shop. And left side there is art market, but closed. So this is shopping area, left side and right side. Hotel right side, but look quiet. Okay guys, from Malaysia Street we turn right and then we will explore Legian Street. So now we are in Legian Street. As I told you before, in this video I will make video around 13-minute video without skip, because I just want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment in Kuta area during emergency lockdown for Bali. And today is the last day for emergency lockdown in Bali. This is Legian Street. Look very quiet, isn't it? Right side, left side, there is art shop. We hope together the pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible, so we can live normally as before. And I so pity because a lot of people lost their job because of this corona. And on this area actually is very expensive area to rent the shop, so that's why. And this pandemic corona is already more than 1 year. Just imagine, they rent the shop in the high price, but they close for more than 1 year. They lost their money for sure, and all the business broke down for Bali at the moment. So we pray together for pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible. This is Legian Street. Looks so very quiet. If you've been this area before, you've been walk around in this area, it should be like opposite than before. Before was like so many people walk around on the sidewalk, but today it looks so very quiet. And now we are reach the ground zero in Kuta, the heart of Kuta. I will show you the monument left side. And in this area, usually a lot of people make photo on this monument, but today it look very quiet. There's no people there. Left side, Sky Garden Bar. Right side, engine room. Left side is hotel. Apache Bar left side, Paddy's Pub, and Bounty. You see? It's very empty on the sidewalk, isn't it? So sad. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kuta Bali area. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video for information to the other people. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update another place in Bali during the pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.